Hold up. Dropshipping is not the only way you can make money on Shopify? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Malik Mufasa channel. I think this is episode number 56. Right? So today we're gonna talk about the top 5 ways you can make money on Shopify. Alright guys, let's get this video to 100 likes. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get all the updates on all the videos when I release them. Now let's get straight into the video. To the Mufasa channel, we're going to be talking about the top ways to make money on Shopify, okay? So remember guys, Shopify is just a platform, okay? There's so many different ways you can make money with Shopify, okay? So number 1 is drop shipping. Drop shipping is literally what everybody's doing, okay? You're the middleman. You're literally importing products from China or Amazon or whatever you get it, right? And you're literally sending it out to your customers. You don't touch it. You don't touch nothing. You're not packing it. You're not doing anything. You're just waiting for the customer to order the product, and then you order the product for them and you ship it out to them, okay? So it's pretty simple business model, but only thing that, you know, you literally have to be on top guard on your things, okay? You need to be top guard on your advertising. You need to be top guard on your website, your landing pages, your conversions, you know, all these things, right? So it's pretty easy business model, but there's a lot of work to go through, okay? And that is what people need to understand. Drop shipping is a lot of work. It sounds easy, but at the end of the day, you know, you got to be able to sell, right? Probably one of the most recommended business model to start out, okay? There's so many different ways like affiliate marketing and all that, but we'll get to that in another day. But number 2 is print on demand, okay? So print on demand is one of those business models that it's pretty easy as well, but you know, you only have to basically customize your own logo, okay? So you're customizing logos, you're customizing your own brand, you're customizing your own designs, right? And all you have to do is literally slap it on a t-shirt. You're slapping on a t-shirt, you're putting it on a mug, pillows, curtains, whatever, right? You know, you literally don't have to touch the product. It's a lot faster than drop shipping, because drop shipping, you know, you got to worry about shipping times. With drop shipping, you know, items coming from China, they take like 14 to 20 days. With print on demand, they actually take about like 1 to 5 days or so, right? And the only bad thing about this is that the products are really generic, okay? So you don't really have a free room, but you really need to be creative. If you're creative, you could be successful with print on demand. So, you know, there's the pros and cons of both, right? Print on demand, you got to be good at, you know, custom designs. You got to know what people really want, okay? So number 3 is actually private labeling, okay? So what is private labeling? Well, private labeling is you're actually making your own brand, making your own logos, and slapping it on a product, okay? It's not like print on demand. Print on demand and private labeling are 2 different business models, okay? Private labeling is you actually have your own brand, okay? So let's say we're doing a laptop cover, right? A laptop cover, you have your logos, you go on Fiverr and you actually design your own logo. You have a brand, you have a story, right? And then you literally slap it on you know, a laptop cover, and you start selling it, and you call yourself, you know, Electronic Way, right? It's kind of like Amazon, where they have a fulfillment center, but you're actually ordering in bulks and stuff like that. So, you know, that's the only downside about private labeling. You know, I'm trying to get into private labeling in the future because it's pretty profitable. Building a brand is so important nowadays in 2018. So I'll be definitely looking at private labeling if I were you guys, because, you know, branding and, you know, showing a story, you know, having a journey with your brand is, you know, the future, okay? Drop shipping is still good to, you know, do drop shipping, but, you know, you really have to have, you know, you really got to watch your back, basically, because, you know, anything can happen. The supplier can go wrong. The supplier can disappear. Your products can get lost. You know, customers can complain. You know, there's so many different things that drop shipping has in the negative side than private labeling, okay? So, you know, 2 opposite business models, but 2 very profitable business models. So number 4 is actually sell a service, okay? This is one of my favorite ones. I still do it. I still, you know, in this business model, and what I do is I make websites for people, okay? So, you know, you literally sell your service. You're basically doing what you're good at, okay? And it's actually one of the easiest, okay? Because you actually know what you're doing, and all you're doing is literally selling your service, selling what you're good at. So let's say for myself, I'm good at making websites. You know, I charge a fee of you know, a regular price or whatever. I say I will build a website for you, or you know, you can get into making apps for people, doing a software, right? And that's when, you know, seller service is very profitable, because you know the increment is very fast. And that's why I like seller service. And the good thing about SaaS is, you know, you don't have to really limit yourself with regular people. You can actually go to companies, right? So that's where social media agencies come into play. So you actually can go to these companies, let's say a chiropractor or a restaurant, and you can sell your service and, you know, build Facebook ads for them, do Instagram influencers for them, you know, do YouTube, set up their YouTube, you know, video marketing, all these things, right? Videography, photography, right? So you can literally get into this SaaS business model and be very profitable, because you know what you're doing, you know exactly what people want, you know exactly how to target it. So, you know, it's very underrated. Not a lot of people are getting into it, and I'm very surprised, but it's very something that I really recommend that you guys should, you know, look at. And number 5 is actually a blogger slash vlogger, okay? So this could be very profitable. It could be very fun, right? So you see a lot of YouTubers doing it. You know, like Logan Paul, you see Jake Paul, Rice Gum, all these guys, right? They actually document their journey. They're doing funny videos. They're vlogging about their lifestyle, and they literally just, you know, have their clothing store, right? They have a clothing line. They have their own brand, and they just link it in their description, and they take it to their Shopify store. Okay, so that's, you know, blogging and vlogging is pretty profitable. And it's not only just video. You can actually have a blog, right? Have a blog and recommend products for people, so you can get into the affiliate marketing side. So, you know, you literally writing articles, you write about a product, right? You write about a product. Let's say you're doing a pillow. You write about the product. You tell how good it is, why you love this type of brand or something, right? And blogging could be very profitable, okay? But the only bad thing is you got to do a lot of writing. If you don't like writing, make videos. So it's just a lot of different ways you can make money with Shopify, okay? So remember, guys, Shopify is a platform. So if you can hone in and, you know, learn your craft, learn the different types of business models within Shopify, right? Then you can be successful, because, you know, you just have to pick one, focus on that one. But there's different ways you can make money with Shopify, okay? So I hope this kind of opened your eyes on, you know, Shopify is just a platform. There's so many different ways you can make money on Shopify. It's just not drop shipping, right? So if you love this video, if you're loving the content, guys, we're closing in on 1,000. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. Make sure you like the video, thumbs up, share it, do whatever you need to do, comment anything that you guys need help on, right? Because I'm always uploading daily videos, daily content for you guys, and I'm always here to help you guys. You know, that's the thing. So, you know, when I'm not working, I'm here on YouTube spending my time with you guys, trying to help you guys try to, you know, get you to that level that you want to be at, right? Also, guys, I have my top 5 niches in the link in the description if you want to grab that. And at the end of the day, your boy is still here. Peace out.